Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I'll like to show you the way how you can easily remove all sounds for every clip on your Capcut project without doing it manually one by one. So here the first thing you have to do is just go open your Capcut application, and then you just need to create a new project, or you can also open your old project. And here I have the project already that consists 2 clips, and you can hear that could be a disturbing sound for each clip here, and I would like to add some additional sounds, but I would like to remove all of the sounds on the clips here. If you're still doing it manually, by tap into the clip and then you just swipe it into the left side, and then you need to find the volume and drag into the left side, so that could be wasting a lot of time. Like if you already have a video clip, but what if you already in your project you have like more than 10 clips? It could be really wasting your time and energy. So how you can like mute all sounds on the clip? You just need to take a look on this icon, and then you just need to tap it, and all clips will be have no sounds already. So that's the tips for today. So hopefully you enjoy this. If you still have some questions, just drop into the comment sections below, and don't forget to turn on the notification section for upcoming video. Thank you for watching, and let's meet again into other tutorial.